The first section of roof that's finished, the first hip. This was one of the worst parts of the roof. There was a big tree growing out of that, if you remember. So we turn around the corner here now and they've started building up the wall plate. So this is built up with a non-hydraulic lime, an air lime, quick lime and sand. And we added brick dust to give it a set. There's two timbers in that carry the slates. So we matched into the existing hot lime render that was already on the roof. There's the battens or the roof, the slate lats. They're cut to the very same dimensions as the existing. There's a lovely splicing job done there. Building conservation at its best. The reason they done splicing here now and not around the corner was because we're not replacing the most of this roof is fairly good, so they wouldn't be able to carry the battens on up and hook them on over the purlongs. So that's why the ends of the rafters, any rotten rafters, will be just spliced in there. We're not using any wood preservatives. Wood preservatives would only accelerate the deterioration of historic timber work. I mean, like them timbers stood there for 150 years, some buildings 200 years. Why would you? Woodworm only, all roofs will support a certain amount of woodworm when the moisture levels are at its norm. It's only when you have a leak in the roof that you'll get an infestation of woodworms. Even at that, they won't eat through the heartwood. So all you've got to do is fix the leak in the roof. The timber will go back to its original moisture content and the excess woodworms will die. So there's no need for wood preservatives. This is probably where we'll start next. This is the next bed area. Okay.